everyone, I am Tisha Chalga from TU Visayas of BET1G, and today I will talk all about the network protocol. What is network protocols? Network protocols are a set of rules, conventions, and data structures that dictate how devices exchange data across networks. In other words, network protocols can be equated to languages that two devices must understand for seamless communication of information, regardless of their infrastructure and design disparities.
Good day everyone, I'm Ronnie Dipanivilla of BD1G from TUP Visayas. Today we are going to tackle about how network protocol works.
Network protocol works. To understand the nuance of network protocols, it's imperative to know the Open System Interconnection OSI model first. The Open System Interconnection OSI model splits the communication process between two network devices into 7 layers. A task or group of tasks is assigned to each of these 7 layers. All the layers are self-contained, and the tasks assigned to them can be executed independently. Network protocols divides the communication process into discrete tasks across every layer of the OSI model. One or more network protocols operate at each layer in the communication exchange. Following are the detailed descriptions of the functioning of network protocols in each layer of the OSI model. Layer 7, Application Layer, provides standard services such as virtual terminal, file, and job transfer and operations. Layer 6, Presentation Layer, masks the differences in data formats between dissimilar systems, encodes and decodes data, encrypts and decrypts data, and compresses and decompresses data. Layer 5, Session Layer, manages user sessions and dialogues, establish and terminate sessions between the users. Layer 4, Transport Layer Network Protocol, manage end-to-end message delivery and networks, renders a reliable and sequential packet delivery through error recovery and flow control mechanism. Layer 3, Network Layer, routes packets according to unique network device addresses, renders flow and cognition control to prevent network resource depletion. Layer 2, Data Link Layer, frames packet, detects, and corrects packet transmit errors. Layer 1, Physical Layer, interface between network medium and devices, defines optical, electrical, and mechanical characteristics.
Good day everyone, I am Patrick John Batilis from BET1G, and I'm gonna tackle about on how network protocols perform the following functions.
Data sequencing. It refers to breaking a long message into smaller packets of fixed size. Data routing defines the most efficient path between the source and destination. Data formatting defines which group of bits or characters within packets contains data, control, address, and other information. Flow control. A communication protocol also prevents the file standard from overwhelming a slow receiver. Errors controls. These rules are designed to detect errors in message and ensure transmission of correct message. Present and order transmission. These rules ensure that all the nodes get a chance to use the communication line, send other resources of their network. Connection established and termination. These rules are defined how connections are established, maintained, and terminated.
What are the different types of network protocols? First, the Transmission Control Protocol, or the TCP, is a communication standard that enables application programs and computing devices to exchange messages over a network. It is designed to send packets across the internet and ensure successful delivery of data and messages over networks. Second is the Internet Protocol, or the IP, is the principal communications protocol in the Internet Protocol suite for relaying datagrams across network boundaries. Its routing functions enables Internet networking and essentially establishes the Internet. Third is the User Datagram Protocol, or the UDP, is a communication protocol used across the internet for especially time-sensitive transmissions such as video playback or DNS lookups. Post Office Protocol, or POP, is an application layer internet standard protocol used by email clients to retrieve email from a mail server. POP version 3 is the version in common use.
Type of protocols: Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP), an application-level protocol for distributed collaborative hypermedia information system, is the foundation of the World Wide Web and is used to upload web pages using hypertext links. For protocol secure, HTTPS is an internet communication protocol that protects the privacy of user data between their browser and the website they're using. A secure alternative to HTTP, this protocol is often used to protect confidential transactions such as online shopping orders and online banking. For common IP networks, there are two major protocols in wide use: Transmission Control Protocol (TCP) and User Datagram Protocol (UDP). TCP ensures reliable communications, and together with its IP foundation, it's referred to as TCP/IP.
What are the most common network protocols? First, the Ethernet. Ethernet protocol is by far the most widely used one. It uses an access method called CSMA-CD or Carrier Sense Multiple Access or Collision Detection. This is a system where each computer listens to the cable before sending anything through the network. Second is the token ring. The token ring protocol was developed by IBM in the mid-1980s. The access method used involves token passing. In the token ring, the computers are connected so that the signal travels around the network from one computer to another in a logical ring. Third is the FDDI, or the Fiber Distributed Data Interface. The FDDI is a network protocol that is used primarily to interconnect two or more local area networks, often in a large distances. The access method used by FDDI involves token passing.